Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to take your car maintenance game to the next level, the BlueDriver Pro Next Gen OBD2 scanner. We found this handy tool online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 scanner? It's a professional-grade diagnostic tool designed to help you scan, understand, and clear vehicle trouble codes directly from your smartphone. Gone are the days of guessing what's wrong with your car or spending money on unnecessary repairs. With the BlueDriver, you can diagnose issues with confidence, making it an essential tool for anyone who wants to stay on top of their vehicle's health. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make the BlueDriver Pro a must-have. First up, it allows you to read and clear more trouble codes than basic car code readers. This tool provides enhanced diagnostics for various systems such as check engine, ABS, SRS, airbag, TPMS, and transmission. This expanded coverage is particularly beneficial for newer model vehicles, ensuring you have access to the latest diagnostic information. One of the most impressive capabilities of the BlueDriver is its ability to provide verified fixes. You'll receive unlimited, technician-verified repair reports tailored to your specific vehicle identification number, VIN. Each report includes definitions, potential causes, and confirmed fixes, making troubleshooting much easier. Additionally, you can monitor real-time vehicle data as you're driving, check freeze frames, and analyze Mode 6 test results, which are invaluable for diagnosing more complex issues. Another significant advantage is its compatibility. The BlueDriver Pro is optimized for a wide range of makes and models, with strong support for popular brands like GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and more. It works with all gas-powered vehicles manufactured since 1996, as well as select light-duty trucks and diesels, making it a versatile tool for various drivers, from daily commuters to heavy-duty truck owners. What sets the BlueDriver apart from other OBD2 scanners is its convenience. This Bluetooth device plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and connects wirelessly to your phone or tablet. You won't have to deal with cumbersome cables or bulky handheld scan tools, allowing for much easier use and portability. Additionally, there are no subscription fees involved ever. This is a one-time purchase that grants you full access to all the features without any hidden costs or personal data selling. You also benefit from free app updates, ensuring that your diagnostic capabilities keep pace with technological advancements. This product is perfect for a variety of users. If you're a DIY enthusiast who enjoys working on your vehicle, a parent wanting to keep family cars in top shape, or even a small business owner managing a fleet of vehicles, the BlueDriver Pro will meet your needs with ease. It's designed for those who want to take control of their vehicle diagnostics without the hassle and expense of traditional mechanics. In practical terms, whether you're checking for a check engine light, monitoring your vehicle's performance, or ensuring that your vehicle is smog-ready, the BlueDriver Pro will provide the insights you need. You can also share the repair reports with your mechanic if you decide to seek professional help, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. In summary, the BlueDriver Pro Next Gen OBD2 scanner is a powerful, user-friendly diagnostic tool that empowers you to take charge of your vehicle's health. With its comprehensive features, wide compatibility, and no hidden costs, it's an investment that pays off in peace of mind and savings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.